Hey, hello guys, GVETech back again with another review. Today I'm going to be talking about a product that I got. This is what it is. It's in this big box. It is a cordless vacuum cleaner, affordable vacuum cleaner from a company called Lacidoll, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing and doing a short review about it. I'm going to talk about what I like, what I don't like, and if it's something you should get. Welcome to the show. I'm GVETech. Let's get to it. Okay, so let's get to it. Just gonna cut this. I have a surprise for everyone who orders this product using the link in my description. If you order from Amazon and use the code on your screen now, GVETech0, you get £10 off your order. So take advantage of this. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Happy viewing. Okay, let's get this open. Yeah, oh, okay, so we have smaller boxes inside. Yeah, okay. Let's just see. Ooh, okay, I like the packaging. So it's in different compartments. So let's see what this is. Take this out. Okay, these are part of the extensions that you want to put in. Okay, put that to the side. Okay, so I have been able to move all the boxes, and here we are. Okay guys, so I have been able to unbox everything. So you have first the shaft, and this is something I discovered. This is really cool. I like this. You click on this and then you extend it. It has different clips, so you can determine how far you want to extend this. Initially I thought it was really short, but then yeah, it's really nice to have this feature. We have the bottom part of the vacuum cleaner. I'm just gonna open this to see what this looks like. Okay, nice for grip. Okay, this has a more sweeper rolls than a regular one. That's good. Okay, flexibility, nice. We have another extension here. Extension for you to get into the tight crevices. And this is something new I haven't seen. This is kind of like a mop type. I wonder how this would work. We have this. This is for hanging, I presume. Yeah, I haven't gone through the manual, but I just know it will be. So it's something that you fasten on the wall and then you hang it. That's a common trend with all these cool high-tech vacuum cleaners today. So you put them on the wall and you hang it, and then it's charging, and you can just take it out whenever you need to use them. Charging cable, yeah, UK type. This should be the battery pack. Yeah, this should be the battery pack, and also the controls. So it has some lights here. Oh, it says fingerprint. Whoa, I would love to see this work with fingerprint sensor, but let's see. That means it'll be really high tech. And then we have, this is the mother load. This is what makes everything work. And again, with modern trends, you have a trigger-based vacuum function to get it running. I'm sure this is for, oh nice, so you can separate the bin. This is the bin. Let me see if I, okay, I think this is it. Oh sweet, see? So this is the bin. You click this, everything's emptied. And okay, great, cool. So this is just a small unboxing. I'm gonna use the product and get back to you on how strong the suction is. It's by Lacidoll. There you go. I'm gonna use it and get back to you about how good it is, what my thoughts are. So this is everything that comes with it. I have assembled it now, and I'm just gonna let it charge for a couple of hours to get it full charged. I tried running it and it ran, but obviously it's not something you should do with products anyway. They usually come with residual charge, but it's good for you to plug it in, get it full charged, and then get it going. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave it out here to charge for a bit and then get back to it. So it takes about an hour plus to charge to full strength. I am gonna try it out on a wooden floor. So I have rice, salt, and some sand on here. Let's see how it goes. And it does well. It pretty much picks up everything off a hard floor, which is really, really good. So there's that. I like the fact that it has these LEDs in front of the end of the tube, so you can see places that are dark. You can use it in places that are not well lit, or if you put it under a chair or under a crevice, you can literally see and make sure that you pick up every single thing. So yeah, it passes the first test on a hard floor, which is good. Great. So I'll switch it off with the trigger controls. I'm gonna try it on a carpet or a rug, as we say. Sand, rice, and some dirt, and it pretty much picks it all up. Again, it has good suction. So there are two suction modes, and they are controlled using the thumb scanning tool. Well, I'll say the switch. It pretty much cleans it up, which is great. I also tried on an upholstery, so let's just see, it picks up stuff. So if you're using it in your car or in a place that it's hard to reach, you can use it. So here I'm using it up on the roof to just try and get some stuff off. So when you're done, it's easy to empty out. Pretty much just open it up, and then with the click of a button you just empty everything out. And I'm not sure you can see the filters. The filters are on there. You can clean the filters out if they get full, and just wash and put them back on as usual. So yeah, there you have it. All in all, it's a good product. The Lacidoll cordless vacuum cleaner works just fine on hard floor, on carpet or rugs. I like the fact that it's very maneuverable. So that's the floor brush. It's very maneuverable. It has 180 degrees of tilt and 90 degrees of tilt as well on both axes, which is great. I like the fact that it's really extendable, which is good, and it has high suction power. Now there are two modes, the high and low. I like the fact that you can control those two modes using just your thumb, as opposed to having your other hand activate those switches. So you can do everything with just one hand while you're using the vacuum, which is really, really great. Compared to high-end products, other high-end products that can do the same thing, literally the same thing, it's really, really affordable. It's going for about $139 at this rate. There's a discount going, and it's also that's about 119 pounds. So compared to other products in this price range, I think it's a very, very good competitive product, and you're getting value for money. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye and take care.